Hey there and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today we're diving into something that's been creating a huge buzz in men's health circles. We're talking about a simple kitchen ingredient, olive oil, and how, when combined with a few powerful natural partners, it might just become your body's best support system for healthy testosterone levels. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because at the end of this video, I'm going to share combinations most men have never heard of that can naturally support energy, recovery, and performance. Why testosterone declines? If you're over 50, you've probably noticed changes: slower recovery, more belly fat, lower drive, and energy that fades faster than it used to. Yes, testosterone naturally drops about 1 to 2% per year after age 30. But for many men, the steep declines aren't about age alone. They're about inflammation, poor nutrition, stress, and lack of sleep. These are fixable factors. And one of the most promising dietary supports is something you probably already have in your kitchen: extra virgin olive oil. Why olive oil matters? Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the very fats your body uses to create cholesterol. And cholesterol is the raw material your body uses to produce testosterone. But that's not all. Olive oil contains polyphenol like oleuropein, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest testosterone killers. In one small clinical trial, men who used olive oil as their main dietary fat for just 3 weeks saw a 17% increase in testosterone. And when you pair olive oil with the right nutrient partners, the effects multiply. Combination number 1. Olive oil plus raw honey. Let's start with the first powerful combo: extra virgin olive oil plus raw, unfiltered honey. Honey contains boron, a trace mineral that research shows can raise free testosterone by up to 28% in 1 week. It also provides B vitamins for hormone synthesis and helps stabilize blood sugar through the night. When you mix 1 teaspoon of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of raw honey and take it 30 to 60 minutes before bed, the olive oil slows the sugar absorption, giving your body a gentle, steady energy flow through the night. That's important, because most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Combination number 2. Olive oil plus cinnamon plus honey. Next, ground cinnamon. One of nature's best-kept secrets for metabolic and hormonal health. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and enhances blood flow. Why does that matter? Because high insulin and chronic inflammation both suppress testosterone. Mix 1 teaspoon olive oil plus half a teaspoon cinnamon plus 1 teaspoon honey before bed. This blend not only supports hormonal balance, but also improves sleep and circulation. Combination number 3. Olive oil plus fresh ginger plus honey. Combination 3. Fresh ginger plus olive oil plus honey. In clinical studies, ginger has boosted testosterone by up to 17%, likely through reduced oxidative stress in the testes and improved luteinizing hormone levels. Mix 1/4 teaspoon grated ginger plus 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 tablespoon honey. The warmth of ginger promotes circulation and metabolism, and the taste is surprisingly pleasant. Combination number 4. Olive oil plus pumpkin seeds plus honey. Next, let's talk about pumpkin seeds, small but mighty. They're loaded with zinc and magnesium, two minerals essential for testosterone and sleep. Low zinc equals low testosterone, and magnesium deficiency disrupts deep sleep cycles. Grind 2 tablespoons raw pumpkin seeds. Mix with 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 tablespoon honey. This creates a creamy paste that supports hormone production and restful recovery overnight. Combination number 5. Olive oil plus turmeric plus black pepper plus honey. Turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory nutrients on the planet. But here's the key: curcumin is fat-soluble, so pairing it with olive oil dramatically increases absorption. Add a pinch of black pepper. It contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Mix 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 tablespoon honey plus half a teaspoon turmeric plus pinch of black pepper before bed. Combination number 6. Olive oil plus garlic plus honey. Garlic might sound intense before bed, but it's worth it. It contains allicin, a compound that supports luteinizing hormone and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone. Crush 1 clove. Let it sit 10 minutes. Then mix with 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 tablespoon honey. The honey masks the flavor, And the olive oil protects your stomach from irritation. Bonus: olive oil plus Brazil nuts plus honey. 2 Brazil nuts provide your full day's dose of selenium, a mineral vital for testosterone and thyroid support. Grind 2 Brazil nuts. Mix with 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 teaspoon honey. This is a delicious selenium-rich nightcap that supports hormonal and thyroid balance. Lifestyle foundations. Remember, these combinations are tools, not magic potions. For real, lasting results. White heavy checkmark sleep 7 to 9 hours. Testosterone production happens during deep sleep. White heavy checkmark manage stress. Cortisol and testosterone are opposites. White heavy checkmark lift weights. Resistance training naturally boosts testosterone. White heavy checkmark keep body fat in check. Excess fat converts testosterone into estrogen. Quality matters. Choose extra virgin olive oil in dark bottles with a harvest date. Use raw, unfiltered honey, preferably local. Buy whole spices and seeds and grind them fresh for potency. Your results depend on the quality of what you put in your body. Results and final advice. Here's what men report after consistent use. Heavy checkmark, more morning energy. Heavy checkmark, improved workouts. Heavy checkmark, better mood and focus. Heavy checkmark, stronger libido and performance. Consistency is key. Track your energy, workouts, and mood. And if possible, get testosterone labs before and after 3 months to see your progress objectively. Gentlemen, the decline in testosterone with age is inevitable. These natural olive oil stacks are safe, affordable, and powerful when used consistently alongside good sleep, smart training, and stress control. Start tonight, pick one combo, mix it, and stay consistent for 8 weeks. You'll be amazed at how much better you can feel. If you found this valuable, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Take care of yourself, and here's to your health.